If we don't fix the resonance, the beacon will wake the sleepers above the red zone.
Target acquired. Proceeding to crash terminate sequence.
Acquired. Proceeding to crash terminate sequence.
Resonance travels beyond this dome. We'll be erased from time.
Who wakes first? The dream or the waking?
I am Orion. You have come for the key that binds memory to matter.
The corridor won't hold long. Move!
I know, just keep your pace.
Pressure's dropping fast.
Bent on 6K.
Don't look back!
Doors ahead, 30 meters.
If it buckles first, we're
Not
scrapped.
today. I've got it. Accessing.
Go, go, go!
If I can stabilize the tether, the sleepers won't vanish. They'll remember.
Memories travel faster than light when fear is the fuel.
There! The hatch to the core.
Looks sealed from the inside. I'll cover you.
Allows you to be to your advantage. Proceed with caution.
This is the kernel. With it, you choose what survives.
Kara.
Not for long. Got it. If we don't leave now, we'll become part of the station's memory.
Then let's not stay for the upload.
If we reset the grid, the sleepers won't exist. But neither will our mistakes.
We've got one chance to jump through the memory gate. Windows closing fast. Field's degrading every cycle.
If it collapses while we're in it, we won't come back.
Then we make it count. On my mark, 3, 2...
To forget is to survive. To remember is to begin again.
The sleepers are not gone. They are elsewhere, within the Colonel's call.
If we seed new memory here, the galaxy might heal.
Begin again, but wiser.
When memory becomes choice, even a dead past can wake to a new future.